Adverbial phrase. Adverbial phrase is a phrase that functions just like an adverb in a sentence. Means, first of all, it should be a phrase, means a group of words that gives incomplete sense. But at the same time, it should be functioning like an adverb. Only then it will be called an adverbial phrase. So let's see how it functions in sentences. First of all, look at sentence number 1. They went there. Over here you can say that this is verb and there is the answer of the question where. So it is actually adding to the meaning of that verb. So it is actually an adverb. So from this we can see that they went there means went is being modified or being described by this word that is there, and it is this word there is an adverb of this sentence. But if we look at sentence number 2, they went to that place. Same word there is being described in 3 words, to that place. So again you can see that verb over here is went, but over here this is not an adverb, though it is functioning as an adverb, but it is a phrase, to that place. So this is actually adverbial phrase. And similarly, if we look at sentence number 3, he will escape in the morning. Over here the verb is escape, and when the question is when will he escape? So he will escape in the morning. In the morning. So it is, first of all, it is a phrase and it is functioning or it is adding to the meaning of a verb. So it is an adverbial phrase. Similarly, look at another pair of sentences. Sentence number 4, I am reading now. So over here you can see that reading is a verb, reading is in this sentence number 4, I am reading now. Reading is a verb, and the word that is adding to this verb, or this is the word that answering the question when is he reading. So he says that I am reading now. So first of all, it is an adverb. Why it is an adverb? Because this word is telling us something more. When is he reading? So he says I am reading now. So now is an adverb. But if we compare it with sentence number 5, I am reading at the moment. Again over here reading is verb, but at the moment is not a word, rather it is a combination of 3 words, that is a phrase, because it is not giving us complete sense, but it is adding to the meaning. This phrase is adding to the meaning of that verb that is reading. So it is describing that. So that's why this is functioning as an adverb. So we will say that it is adverbial phrase. Now look at sentence number 6, I read quietly. So quietly is again an adverb, just like it is adding to the meaning of a verb that is read. So if we compare it with sentence number 7, I read in silence. Now in this particular sentence, again the verb remains the same, that is read, but in silence is adding to the meaning of that particular verb. So it is a phrase. First of all, why it is a phrase? It is combination of 2 words in silence, which gives us incomplete sense. But it is adding to or it is describing a verb that is read. Where is he reading? So he says that I read in silence, means how. It is answering not where, rather it answers the word how. How does he read? So he reads in silence. That's why we will say that it is an adverbial phrase, because it functions as an adverb over there. They read here. Now this is the question, that where do they read? So read is verb again, and here is adding to the meaning of read, that is a verb. So again it is an adverb. But if we compare it with last sentence, that is sentence number 9, they read in the library. In the library is not at this moment, you cannot say that this is an adverb. Rather it is a phrase first of all, and this read remains the same, that is a verb. But this phrase is telling us something more about reading. They read in the library. Where do they read? They read in the library. So this is a phrase, but it is functioning, or it functions just like an adverb. That is why we call it a phrase, that is adverbial phrase.